The program is 20 weeks, 6 months. The goal is when they get out, totally complete, they are 100% employable. So they know everything they need to know, and they have the benchmark experience to build on. They will have 2 licenses actually. They will have an EPA license that we will administer here in the program, and also there is another one honored by the city as apprentices. So those are the 2 licenses that we'll have when they go out in the field. The program is made up with 4 components. There is a core part. The students prepare for doing resumes, self-esteem, communication, employment, interviews, etc. The other part is actually the technical part, which is the HVAC part. And that has the heating and air conditioning part, furnaces, air conditioner, heat pumps. And then there is a troubleshooting segment, so they can put everything they have learned in class and in the lab to troubleshoot problems and make them better technicians. And then, of course, the last segment is internship. Every student in the program will intern with an outside company that they can put and practice putting their experience, what they learned in class, into real life workshop.
I'm originally from down south, and I had been having problems finding a decent job, and I went to vocational rehabilitation and talked to them, and they recommended several different career fields, and one of them was HVAC. Job Point was the closest place for me to be able to get that education. I got an OSHA 10 card while I was there, certified apprentice for the City of Columbia, and EPA license. The things that employers are looking for, a guy that's just breaking into the field, got the basics. I actually found employment during my internship. Whenever I started my internship, I started at MasterTech. They were already looking for a technician, and by the time I got done with my internship, they hired me straight out of my internship. I learned the names of several different tools. I've been in the construction industry pretty much my whole life, but there are a lot of tools and instruments that are specific to HVAC that I was able to recognize on the job because of Job Point, showing me how to use these different instruments, multimeters, things like that I had never messed with before. And without Job Point, I would still probably beat my head off the wall trying to find a good job. They absolutely taught me the basics. They placed me in an internship with promise. I was sure that whenever I went on my internship that I was going to get a job. I was confident because I busted my hump in class. That was something that the instructor instilled in us, is the more we knew and the more we did, the more valuable we were to an employer. There are places out there that can help you. I was doing bad. Living from paycheck to paycheck and not knowing what I was going to do next. Places like Job Point are fantastic. Give it your all. Don't just go halfway. You have to give it 100% if you want to get anything out of it.
The class is scheduled for every evening, 5 nights a week. We attempt very much to do at least 60%, 50 to 60% in the lab, and the rest of it in class. I found out that they learn better if they have a little bit of the class session and they actually practice with their hands what they have learned. That seems to be the most successful. I cannot believe the level of enthusiasm with this class. It's like they're hungry for knowledge. What else you got? When are we going to do this? When are we going to do that? It actually keeps me on my toes, kind of, but also gives me a little bit of enthusiasm to just work with them, sometimes one-on-one, sometimes on the groups. They need to stick it out. It's not rewarding immediately because this has a lot of material, requires a lot of knowledge. So we try to put it in the simplest form possible so they can grasp it easier. I think all of them would be very excited to make the transition into the heating and air conditioning field, because we definitely need good technicians. It's almost like a dying art. We don't have any, and we do not have technical schools per se, except for Job Point.